So to fix this, go to your phone menu and try to search for settings. Tap on it to open it, and after that, what you have to do is to search for apps and notification. When you find it, tap on it to open it. After that, tap on see all apps. Wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading. After that, try to search for Boomplay app. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. Tap on permissions to make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. After clearing the cache, go back and tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Now tap on mobile data and restriction or mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still good on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it and try to search for your Boomplay app. So when you search for Boomplay app, just try to tap on the update over here to get the latest update of the Boomplay app. So after updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. So as you can see, it has been updated, so you can find open over here. So now let's try to restart or reboot our phone. So tap on restart after tapping on your power button for some while, or tap on reboot. It's all the same process. After rebooting your device, this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.